Voila! Here we are again in the vegan intuitive kitchen, and today we make something I think everybody likes. It's a chocolate drink, I would say chocolate milk. And here we have about a day old soaked maple dates.
Soaked dates?
And just to know, everything is organic and fair trade. And here is the seed milk. It's sunflower and pumpkin seeds I made the other day.
You can see a video of that.
And here is vanilla powder and the cacao powder. So then we start mixing. I do it eyeballing. I just take a nice amount of dates, about maybe one more. And then we add a little bit of this in.
Some vanilla powder. And now
the cacao powder. Maybe a nice big wooden spoonful. And then
this is the milk. Sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds.
And this is the TriBest personal blender. Alright, it's done. It's about a minute. Just feel into, if everything is smooth, then it's good. And this is how it comes out.
Beautiful.
Isn't this beautiful?
It's a quick pick-me-up in the afternoon.
Yeah, exactly. I try it. Wow, it's good. It's very good. It's not too sweet. It has this sweetness, this natural sweetness. So I won't drink it right now. I just put the lid on, and you can do this. It's all from scratch, healthy. Okay, Prost.
Great.